Hello, today we will be unboxing this Samsung wireless charger, portable battery, 10,000 milliamp battery and USB cable. It's pink color. Let's go ahead and open it up. On the go or on your end table, so power up at home. On the road, there you go. Got a Galaxy Watch and a Galaxy phone plugged into it. You got your Galaxy Beans. Charge your Galaxy Watch or Buds. Oh, it says even charge 2 devices at once. On the go or on your end table. Right here. Works as a tabletop wireless charger pad when plugged in. So I'm assuming that you can literally leave this plugged in all the time and you can just place your phone on top and wirelessly charge while this thing is being plugged in. Okay, so it supports Qi wireless charging, or Qi, or Qi, how you want to say it. Now, let's unbox this thing. Got nothing. Okay, put tape off. Samsung 10,000. It feels like it's made out of aluminum. It's very cold. There you go, fast charge it says. Let's look at the ports. USB Type-C to charge the battery itself, and USB Type-A to charge another device. Just press the power button. Okay. Okay, there you go. So it's got 50% battery life. The LEDs are not that bright, as you can see. That's pretty much it for this video. I will try to do more of this. Just let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more videos about this wireless battery from Samsung. Thank you.